Learning about grammar helps us become better writers. In this video, I'm going to go over editing marks to help me correct some mistakes. My name is Miss Rios and this is Teacher Approved. Frankie, let's go over some editing marks before I get started. 3 lines, capitalize. 1 loop, delete word, letter, or phrase. Caret, insert word, letter, or phrase. SP, check for correct spelling. Slash, change to lowercase. Place a period here. Place a comma here. Switch the order of letters or words. Close up this space. We are finally ready to check for errors in grammar, spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. I will begin by capitalizing I, since it's the beginning of a sentence. For received, the I and the E need to be switched. You need to capitalize October because it is a proper noun. I received a call on October 31st in a Tuesday evening. In needs to be changed to on. A Tuesday is also a proper noun and therefore it needs to be capitalized. Evening. Number 2 had several corrections, from capitalizing a proper noun, adding a comma, quotations, and rephrasing some words. Number 3, we started preparing for their visit. We needs to be capitalized. Started preparing for their. The spelling here is incorrect. You actually spelled this there like this. That is a contraction for they are. I set up an enclosure to make sure he stays downstairs. Downstairs is a compound word, and therefore downstairs needs to be together. To ensure a stress-free visit, Jennifer brought a bag of food. This is the wrong article before bag. It should be a bag of food, comma. I see a series coming. Frankie's dog bowls, comma, his crate, and favorite toys. The final edit will be to add an apostrophe before the S because these dog bowls belong to Frankie. That's all for now. Remember, practice makes progress. My name is Miss Rios and this is Teacher Approved.